Hi everybody, welcome to our new home. It feels so amazing to be in a home. You guys, I can't even express just how happy and grateful I am to be here. Work-wise, I am just thrilled to be back in Philadelphia so I can have better trips, and I'm also thrilled to not be commuting anymore. I just have to drive to work now instead of taking a drive and an airplane to get to work, so much better. Before I show you guys the house, I wanted to explain a little bit as to why we are here specifically. So we did not buy this house. We are actually renting it from a family member on Eric's side. That's why it's fully furnished and why we felt comfortable either selling or donating our furniture that was in Colorado and just shipping our smaller stuff like clothes, books, and like bringing our super sentimental and valuable items in the car with us. And the timing of us being able to move into this house and our lease ending in Colorado just worked out really well. It just feels like as of right now, this is where we are meant to be. I don't know how long we're going to be here. We could be here for 6 months. We could be here for a year. We could be here for 2 to 5 years. I don't know. We're not putting a timeline on anything. I think we're just happy to have a place like to land, to be, that has more space. Luna is loving it here. I just think it's going to be awesome for us. As you guys will see throughout the tour, this house is a bit older. It definitely needs some TLC and some updates, but I am just so grateful to be here, and I feel like the house has a lot of character. Luna has absolutely been loving it here. Are you ready to show everybody around? We'll start with the downstairs and then work our way up. There's a mattress right here that is going to be picked up for a donation. We have this mirror right here at the end of the stairs. Hi, Luna. Across from the kitchen, we have a dining table right here. I love all of the windows that look out into the backyard. Luna absolutely loves it too. She loves looking out the windows and obviously loves having a backyard too. And then as of right now, this is her little corner right here with her food bowl, water bowl, and her little rug. You guys know that blue is my favorite color, so I actually love this tiling that's throughout the kitchen. I love all of the natural lighting that's throughout the house and all of the windows. I just feel like it really brightens it up in here. Natural lighting, for whatever reason, just always makes me feel so good and so peaceful. I feel like some of the issues that Eric and I have had with previous apartments is that they just feel so dark that it's almost like you feel like living in a cave. Like, I need the sun on me. I need the natural light. It just makes me feel so much better. Please don't judge. We still have a lot of organizing to do since we just moved in, and we still have stuff everywhere. But we have this island in the center of the kitchen, which is super nice. We actually have 2 ovens, which is cool. So we have this one right here with the stovetop, and then we have this oven right here. And then look at this. We haven't been able to figure out how to make this work, but this is a cassette player. I think that is so awesome. Cabinets up here, the fridge, all that good stuff. I won't lie to you guys, with this move, the drive here, and going back to flying, I have not been doing the best job of keeping myself hydrated, so we need to fix that. And one of the easiest ways for me to get in hydration while also having a very tasty beverage is these Ultima Replenisher electrolyte packets. And these have so many different flavors too. Like in the original variety pack, there's lemonade, grape, raspberry, cherry pomegranate, and orange. And then I also have this one too, which is the tea fresher variety pack, and there's lemon black tea, mango dragon fruit green tea, peach green tea, and strawberry acai green tea. I think I'm gonna do one of these today. I'm going to pick at random because they all are super tasty. Oh, perfect. Okay, this one is lemon black tea. And I also just really appreciate how travel friendly these are because they just come in these little packets that you can put in your water and bring with you wherever you go. These are seriously so good and so refreshing. And these don't have that like salty taste that a lot of other electrolyte drinks have. Each packet has 6 essential electrolytes, vitamin C, and zinc. I also should mention too that each of the Ultima Replenisher packets have 0 calories, 0 sugar, and 0 carbs. You can head to my link in my video description box below, or you can also scan the QR code on the screen so that way you can stay hydrated with Ultima Replenisher. And a huge huge thank you to Ultima Replenisher for keeping me hydrated and for also sponsoring this portion of today's video. Alrighty, let's continue with the house tour. I forgot to show you guys. So adjacent to the kitchen, we have all of this space right here for glassware. And then from the kitchen, we have this dining room right here. It's been a long time since anyone has really been in this room and probably dined in here, but I think if we were to find a new place for all of these plants and decorate this nice for fall, I think it would look really pretty. And then we also have this very big room towards the front of the house. There used to be a couch right there that has been donated, and there also was a big piano right there that has also been donated because it was broken. Our laundry area is also down here, and then through this door next to the laundry area is where Eric has set up his office space in the basement so he can get work done. We're not going to bother him because obviously he's in meetings and working. A few of you have asked what Eric does for work. Eric is a software engineer and he also does software design, so he is actually able to work from home. The company that he works for was in person, but then when COVID hit, they actually had the option to work from home. So when Eric did that and pretty much every other employee also decided to work from home, the company was like, hey, we're actually a lot more productive with everybody working from home. So now his company is fully remote, which is awesome because Eric can technically live anywhere. So his job just works out really well for us with me as a flight attendant, because when I am home, it's like we're both home at the same time and we get to spend a lot of really good quality time together. And then also when I'm gone, Luna always has someone with her too. Yes, Miss Luna, because just about everything is all about you. And that's exactly how we like it. We like to spoil you. We do have a TV right here next to this wall, which has a fireplace. I'm so excited for this for winter. I think that'll be so fun. Yes, Miss Luna, like to just get all cozied up next to the fire, I think will be wonderful. Luna just wants to show you guys everywhere she likes to sit. She's queen of the couch. In front of the TV, we do have these couches right here in this living room so we can sit and relax while we watch TV and movies and whatnot. And then this is my favorite area right here because right in that corner is where I'm going to set up my office space. So in that corner, I'm gonna do a bookshelf. I've already ordered all of my furniture online. It should be delivered, I think, next week. So I'm gonna do a bookshelf in that corner and then a desk right next to it. So that way I'll be able to look out and have like the beautiful view of the trees and the backyard from my office. And also that way too, Luna can go outside and roam around and I can still watch her. I also finally have all of my books out of storage and under one roof. It feels awesome, honestly, to just have everything in one place. So this will be my view right here when I'm looking out the window at my desk. Let me show you guys our bedroom. So obviously we are not done unpacking and whatnot, but we have this little couch right here and sitting area. And then through here we have the bathroom. We have a gigantic bathtub. I love having these cutout lights right here. It just adds more natural lighting into the bathroom. And then here's our countertop. We have two sinks. I have to laugh because this one is Eric's sink and there's like just a few products right here. And then if you go to mine, I have all of this stuff right here. But you know what? I use all of it, okay? And I love it. While it's in front of me, this is a new perfume that I decided to try. And oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff smells amazing. This is my new favorite fragrance, like ever. I love, 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 love it. And then in our bathroom, here's our shower. So we have all of our stuff right there. And then there's the shower heads. Moving along, here is our closet. Like I said, not everything is hung up yet, but it is nice to have all of this space. And then here is our bedroom. It is huge. Honestly, like this is the biggest room I think I've ever had to live in. So we have this dresser right here with that lamp, and then there's these two mirrors right here with that big dresser. We have some nice windows on this side of the bedroom, and then we also have more windows over there. We do have a king size bed, which we love because Miss Luna likes to share the bed with us, so we need all the space that we can get. Yes, Miss Luna, I'm talking about you. And then over there we have this dresser, and that's where I'm keeping my stuff right now. Obviously, as you all can tell, we still have a lot of boxes and organization that we need to do, but I feel like all of that will get done with time. We're just trying to do little things every day, and then eventually everything will be settled. So that is the house tour, the little house update of where we are living. There's definitely some upgrades and different things that we want to do, especially organization wise. Like, things are not obviously exactly where they need to be, but I thought I would give you guys a little bit of an update anyway and just show you around. I have my first trip coming up as a Philadelphia-based flight attendant in a few days. Obviously, I will be filming that, so make sure you all stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to see you again in all of my future videos. I hope that you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!